Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
ungazi ngabakho le nkulumo le usazoyijezela
ntse ke tlhatsa ke na le nausea ke tshwere ke tlhogo. Imagine having a second baby.
lasesithukiwe sithi kuthiwe bazokujezisa ntombazana ophinde uyayekelela uya mitha njani umitha kanjani kanti no ugirl uze nenye. So ugirl is now with partnership asazi ukuthi nemoto yiphi. She said guess it, and then after guessing it she'll give you a ride and then start posting the car. Guys, congratulations to Tirelo. Guys, let's congratulate her. We know, like, umuntu nomuntu emhlabeni uyawenza ama-mistake, and we learn from our mistakes. Uyenze mistake yakhe, she learned the hard way. Akhala every episode bekakhala. She learned, and she's now starting to love herself more. And bugani, let's just congratulate Tirelo, guys. And let's just hope nje usibinda kahlanga laphana ithi yeah, if bongasiyemi ngabe nje awunawo nama-partnership blah 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 blah. Yo, guys, I hate a man who thinks everything is about him, even on your greatest. I didn't see him congratulating her. Did she? Did he? Excuse me, did he congratulate her? But opposed to oh halala mntwami or whatever. But vele bahlukene ngamampela. Ndaba zabantu. But ke girl is securing the bag and halala girl. Bese sithuke sisho oh tiri my girl uzohamba isilandelisisa ubone nje ake wenzani ubhubesi akashadi kuqala uyahamba uyashada omunye umuntu kuqala ngapha unomntana nawe kuthiwa akawondli medical aid isabhadalwa umama sofuna ukuthi umntana wakho usabhadalelwe i-medical aid naye. Awu kahle tiri girl kanti hayi Tirelo usizela ne-surprise yemoto. And she did surprise us, Shem. We didn't expect such win from her. Besicabanga ukuthi uzophelela what's this? Women's Day. That Women's Day conference thingy. But look at how God is showing her. Sometimes you have to learn the hard way so that uzothola izinto ezihle nawe. And I hope she learns, Shem. Congratulations. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Ngicela ningitshele ukuthi nani benithukiwe nithi ayibo Tirelo sungaze uhambe uyobrekela lo mfana futhi. Yekelani amahle ahambe ayozala. UTirelo akahlala nomntwana wakhe uyi-1 until bamshade kahle ifamily yakhe nje izivume issues. But guys, have you noticed ukuthi asiyazi family kaTirelo? Ukhona yazi akasendele ithombe. Thank you guys for watching. What are your thoughts on this?